Hey guys, before you make any purchases on new fog lights, it'd be best that you ensure that you don't have the cables already installed in your Tacoma. I myself had to learn the hard way, and while I was running the cables through for the 2010 Tacoma pre-runner, I found out that the fog lights already had the cables ran through. In this case, only needed three things, and that's the fog lights themselves, a 12-volt relay, and an OEM switch. Turn the truck on, and the lights, and there you are, how to install fog lights into a 2010 Tacoma. Don't forget to remove plastic film. Now, if your Tacoma did not come with cables pre-installed, then keep watching.